everyone, I'm Yankel, and today we're going to talk about sauteing. The main idea is using a really hot pan and keeping it moving. Some of the tools that we're going to use are an excellent saute pan. I'm looking for like a thick bottom stainless steel pan that will really transfer heat well, but that'll keep food from burning. And then I'm going to use a wooden spoon. I've got tongs, which I'll use most likely to serve. We've got some basic cooking fats. I've got extra virgin olive oil and some ghee or clarified butter. And that's basically all you need to get sauteing. So let's take a look at what we're gonna do. We're going to saute some ButcherBox organic chicken breast. And basically I've cut it into little slivers. So I've got beautiful chicken tenders, just really small pieces so that they cook quickly. Shaved carrots, snow peas cut into slivers, and some julienne onions, just sliced thin. We're ready to saute. I've got my heavy stainless steel pan heating up. I start on a really high heat. Get the pan nice and hot. It'll cool down a little bit when I add ingredients. So I'm gonna start with some fat. What I'm doing when I add fat to a hot pan is basically I'm filling in all the pores. So like anything, when it heats up, it opens. Get a little bit of a sear on it. I just want to make sure that the chicken gets good sear before we start to add vegetables, because once we add the vegetables, we're gonna lose that ability because we'll generate a little bit of liquid. So I've got a good sear. Add a little bit more of that. Now we're gonna add some of our vegetables. Everything's moving around nicely. We're gonna let our vegetables come forward, down, and flick it back. Looks cool. So we're gonna let our vegetables cook about 30 seconds. The color will just bloom. A little bit of liquid. Squeeze a lemon. I'll add a touch more salt and pepper. And then we'll let it cook for a few minutes. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to the ButcherBox channel. We want to make it better and we need your help. So if you liked what you saw or you didn't, click the survey below and tell us what you think. Thank you so much for tuning in.